In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an automation in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful task management platform that helps you streamline your workflow with features like automation. Automations are a great way to save time and reduce manual work, but sometimes, as your needs evolve, you'll need to edit them to better fit your current processes. That's exactly what we'll cover today. I'll walk you through every step clearly and simply. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to update your automations in ClickUp. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, sign in using your preferred method, whether that's your email and password or a connected provider like Google. Once you've logged in, make sure you're in the correct workspace. This is important because ClickUp organizes your data by workspace, so you'll want to confirm you're in the right place before proceeding. Next, locate the space or project area where the automation you want to edit is stored. To do this, use the left sidebar. Spaces, folders, and lists are all displayed here, so take a moment to navigate to the specific location where your automation resides. If your work is organized into folders or list views, head to the correct folder or list now. Once you've found the correct area, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Automate button. You'll recognize it by the lightning bolt icon. This opens the automation panel where you can manage and adjust your automation settings. From here, select Manage Automations. This option will take you to a tab where you can see a list of all the active automations for the current location you're working in. Now, find the specific automation you want to edit. Hover your mouse over that automation and you'll see a pencil icon appear. Click on the pencil icon to open the automation editor. This is where you can view all the details of your automation, including its trigger, conditions, and actions. Take a moment to review these details carefully. The trigger is what initiates the automation. The conditions specify any rules that must be met, and the actions define what the automation will do once the conditions are satisfied. If anything no longer fits your workflow, you can update it here. While you're in the editor, don't forget to refine the automation's name and description. Clear naming helps you and your team quickly understand what the automation does at a glance. Next, consider the scope of the automation. Is it supposed to work at the space level, folder level, or list level? Make sure the scope aligns with your intent. If you realize the automation needs to be in a different location, you may need to switch to that location and start again to ensure everything works properly. Before finalizing your changes, check for any overlapping rules that might cause issues. For example, overlapping automations can create loops or duplicate actions, which can lead to confusion or errors. Adjust as needed to prevent this from happening. Once you're confident everything is set up correctly, finalize your changes by following the prompts in the editor. These will guide you through saving and applying your updates. After that, you can close the automation panel and your edits will be complete. If you're new to ClickUp, you'll find a registration link in the description below to help you get started. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit an automation in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.